Hello, my name's Barb. You've probably looked at my videos in the past. I've been with Guaranty for quite a while. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this Rockwood tent trailer. It's the 1940 LTD. These have a lot in a little. They're very easy to tow. They're lightweight, 3,600 pounds, and you have all the comforts of a large trailer without all the storage issues. So first of all, I want to assure you that this is motorized, so when you are lifting this canopy up or down, we have a power winch. You also have solar on the side, so if you want to keep your batteries hot, you can. This canvas is nice and tough. It really has held up great over the years. We're going to kind of come down here like this. We've got a place for AC. We've got a freshwater inlet here. It's a 30 amp service. This is the Rockwood Freedom 1940. Also has the city water, then you're plugged there. Most of all of the joy in this rig is inside. So come on in. Got an outlet here. This is set up for an outside barbecue. This is set up for an outside barbecue. You got an outlet here. More. But come on in here. This is nice. So I'm just going to kind of sit down right here and I'm going to let the cameraman pan this around. We have these nice beds here that are like an electric blanket. You can actually power them up so they stay nice and cozy for you. You've got a nice little sink here and a refrigerator down there and a heater. Nice little table and chairs that you can sit down, relax, make it into a bed if you'd like. You have one twin bed here and one double full. This little thing right here is your outside barbecue, which I think is pretty neat. They've got a tray out there so you can use that outdoors or you can use it indoors, either way. You have the plastic covers over the screen, so today it's windy and we are keeping the wind on the other side. The best thing you can do is to come on out to Guaranty. We're right out in Junction City. Can't miss us. And take a look. Come in here and take a look at this thing and feel it for yourself. Give me a call. We'll get together and you can tell me what you think about it. My name is Barb and I'm at 541-521-4232. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Come on out and go camping.